let's move to the 002, the Manim tutorial and guide before we go to the example gallery. And this video we're starting to do this one by one. Within the tutorial, we have the quick start. Then let's try to use what we have installed Manim during the last video to build our new project and try to create our circle with the animation. But when you watch the 001, you may remember is we stopped as our getting the error message when we want to install this Manim LaTeX this package. And I tried after the video is both we already use this PowerShell in Windows 11 with the administration rights. Then I switched this to this command, just the normal command with the administration right, and also come to VS Code, which we will use that for our coding, but this is not with the administration right. For this third try, I got is the error is cannot open the local file access because they are locked in this C program data. So that is one thing I hope is the Manim can give some flexibility. If they pop up some this folder chosen, the option is I can choose that to move to D. I think that will be easier. That also can be this chocolatey the issues. But if we cannot continue, I may uninstall those and that we try back is possible we use this condo to do that with the alternative way. But let's do this continue. So, but first of all is if you go to, as they mentioned, is go to the C and we have this program data. So you can come to chocolatey folder. And here is those chocolates, chocos for, and then here is what is the summary. So I think is those is the chocolate summary. So, but that is not the installation part. And what I got is this file. So if I'm moving further, so let's see here. So all of your installation is are being tracked here. And we got arrow from these last several lines that we can read is run this command. Even I have this administration rights with this C tools tiny text bin, and because this one was not a success, since it's in C tools, I even don't have that folder. So that is the way. The reason I suppose is why this tiny LaTeX is not able to install it. But let's solve that later. So we come to playing first because installation is we already have the key package installed successfully. Let's go to this quick start to try is whether it can give us some the funny things already. So I will create like here. So with this, I create our folder. So folder is the tutorial, and we start is the quick start, and then this is a new project. So starting by create a new project. So then this we create our new project folder. So just let's just do that, and later on is video by video is we will make this better name. But let's just try to make our current the things work. So open a text editor. We are in the VS Code, and then such as Notepad, copy the following code snippets into that. I will not copy that. I just make our code is scene pi. So that is under this folder. So now let's try to type is from Manim import everything. So once you have this, let's try to run. So if you run with the code runner. So there's nothing or its result is empty, that is a good thing. So sometimes it's nothing is the good. So because that means is your Manim, even here is looks like some typo, the spelling error, but that means your library is installed correctly. So let's try the first one. So create our class create a circle with names scene and the depth. Use this construct self. So ensure is you have all the functions, then have the correct indent. That is the Python. Python's indent is really the make the matters. So we initialize our circle. Let's ignore those circle those comments first. Then we have this instance circle dot set fill pink opacity equal to 0.5. That is the transparency level. Self play create circle. So now we have them is create. So save this to here. Then open the command and let's see is Manim is this command. Sorry, so that is command is not working. So it's not recognized as the command. So let's see. So because it's already added into. So let's see. So it's the script. So it's this one. So let's try to do that. Possible. I need to make some. Oh, so let's copy cd Manim cd tutorial. So I have my file here. Then let's have this Manim. Let's see. So I just try to do this full parts and PQL. We will familiar with those switch soon. So, and if you have read this, I think is they didn't include this PQL. And let's see. So scene.py and create. Let's see whether we can generate. That is our first step. Let's run this. See, you can keep running that, but this open your media player. So this one is just you can see is repeatable, but that is the already get the correct result called create circle. So let's read a little bit here. So when we have running this, they got this version. So first, make that bigger. Animation, partial movie file. So this is a movie file written into this MPG, but this MPG is in GitHub is my folder. So you can see they create a media, and then within this video is partial. So it's this one. So if I play on that, you can see you can even preview this on your VS Code and combining to movie file, render circle that preview this add here. So this preview is on the on this folder. So and then this nice is in Windows. They even is already associated to the media player. So from here you can play this outside because if you are not running within VS Code, is you are in the command line. Then that's good. Is you can show that in the media player. But actually we are using the VS Code, you can see all this folder structure, and you can come to these partial movie files to run this one. And this one is also outside. You can see here is a CreateCircle, so that is also this one. So for now is this render is outside CreateCircle, so that is our, I think is the working file. So but both are rendered and to show the correct animation. So with that is I think is we have making this scene work. So that is the most important. I hope is you can also type your code like this SynPy. So try to type during is our coming videos. I try to prevent is to do the copy paste. That is the most easier things. Just copy. But when you do that, is you are not have our tangible feeling on these three lines. Even this we are not having the details part is but now let's explain. So first line, I think if you work on Python, these are the typical one is we have this library and we just installed and we need to import and load that. And now is we have a recommend way to using Manim is as a single script often use multiple name from the Manim. In your script, you import several things. So we import that's the star. So that is the scene is the this from Manim, circle, pink, and create. So four different script, and then is we create our class. Within class, we define our function. So these are the typical things with those construct under the this def. So it's our construct method within the scene class. Inside the construct, we create object, display them. So this is create initialize or instance our object and set some these parameters. If you don't set that pink, you can set blue. So if I see here, so blue. So now I save and I will run this again. So it's not working. So I should use this one. So oh, so let's see. So what's the arrow? Frozen. So possible is I have something is let me media. So I will delete all those and make that empty. Oh, so I should come to my working folder. Yeah, it's a little longer, but that is fine. So let's see. Let me run that again. Okay, so let's see whether it's changed. You can see change to the another color. So blue is in the middle. But they have are by default the edge. So we will learn that. So you can change this part. Is the first one create a circle. Second one set the color transparency. The finally last line use the animation create. So this is the command for create animation. Then create this circle which you have create in the code here. That will using this self is this construct method and come to this create circle class will show the circle on screen. All animation must reside within the construct method. So that is our standard line. So it's a let's try to remember that. I'm not quite to the comments on this. It's like if you work in Java, is you have this static, the public static void min. So normally some IDE already if you put public, so they create a huge these lines for you automatically, but you still need to remember that is the standard usage. So let's read this again. All animation must reside within the construct method of a class derived from the scene. So this class is derived from scene. Scene is a loaded script within Manim. Other codes such as auxiliaries or mathematical functions may reside outside the class. So the animation class code must be reside within the construct. That is already good enough. Is let's put that LaTeX tiny LaTeX or the Manim LaTeX the installation later on, and we already can work on this. I hope it's in your code is you can have that as well. So I may starting to put these projects with those names and push to the GitHub repository, and you can use that as the source code as well. So we finished this 002. Next one is we will based on our mind map and this tutorials logic transforming. I think I have a typo error. Transform a square into a circle. So that is one thing is the animation, not just draw create a shape, and we can have two shape and try morph from one to two. So see you in this next one. So I hope it's from this five the quick sample within Quickstart, then we get the briefly about what this Manim can do. Then this we will have quite a lot homepage example. So even go to this community homepage is five interesting sample. Let's do this line by line and see you in the next video. Bye for now.